Hey guys, this is Dale Thompson from Racing Car Technology, and I'd like to give you a quick intro to our training how to set up the suspension on your race or road performance car. You'd like to go faster and run at the pointy end of the field, right? Or even if you are up there and competitive, there is still more to get with good setup. Our clients get real improvement in lap time, routinely 1 to 2 seconds and sometimes over 4 seconds. And that's with the same engine and same tyres. The truth is, with proper setup, you have better grip at the tyres and better balance for understeer oversteer. This means you will go faster without making any changes to the way you drive. If you're like most racers, you're keen to find out more about suspension setup, but there is no clear pathway. Where do you start? Books and magazines, ask fellow competitors, online tips are of little help. Do you find it almost impossible to get clear guidance, even from the specialist suppliers and tuners that deal in high performance? Now we show you the how and why of suspension setup in our new online training course, Every Racer's Guide to Suspension Tuning. With our guide, you can do the suspension setup for your race car or have others do it for you, so that you get a race car with good grip and balance straight out of the workshop, and that's before you go racing or testing. So let's get started right now. Check out our free training, Suspension Tuning 101 and 102, and we'll show you how our clients save seconds in lap time, some winning races for the first time, and all of them with much better handling cars. Just enter your name and email address in our opt-in form and it's all there for you. And I'll see you at the training.